What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be rebuilding the Boston Celtics with fantasy draft on. So this is the team we're working out here. There's some players that's in my mind I have to trade for. So let's see. Yeah, I don't even know what teams everyone's on, but man, Jalen Jackson and Shea on the Thunder. Shay's. I'm trying to get Shay all the time because like Shay gets his it's like a bigger pay raise earlier on in the season. So I want to get Shay, and then but I forgot to do something. I'm sorry, bro. I forgot to put with this trade override until I get better at the game, but I completely suck. Yep. So Shay has to come on my team now. Sorry. Wizards, I'm sorry. I got Shay. It will give me Kristaps, I'm just joking, but give me Shay. So we got Ludo and then OP Topping, thank you. Got you. Always. Let's see. Coaching. This is a good team. Except for but Covington. Hey PG. Hey, Chris White, I wanna go on a different team. If I can't put you, but you know what? LeBron at power forward. Yeah, I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm just trading whoever I can find, but that's useless. Hey, where is this man card or whoever? Yeah, Robert Covington. 3 mil. So I need a center that's about like 4, 5 mil. 4, 5 mil? I don't know. Need like 4, 5 mil. Kevin Love. That'd be the perfect person. Yeah, I don't even know, but I want to use. Hey, if we can get Jalen Jackson, I'd be happy. Like, I have to offer up some of my players. I want to give up. Bro, look at this. If I get Joe Allen in the deal, it's gonna work, right? But I don't want to give him up. What if I give LeBron James and I don't know. LeBron getting old, but I'm sorry I said it, LeBron. But you are getting old. So I might just get Ant-Man because he has like a $42 million contract. I don't know, but let me get Ant-Man. If I can see what team right here. Tatum's on 34. Ant-Man, you come here. Yeah, she's gonna get better with this coaching. Let's see. Shay, Ant. Joshua, do you... But trade finder. Joshua Cody. You're not playing starting small forward. Where's the better small forward, huh? Small forward. Okay, center. No. Small forward. You know what's okay. But I'm taking out this. Womp. And then you want my best pick. Like, yeah, no. You know, who has your team? You just made me so mad I'm checking on your team. I'm just going to trade him for my bench. Yeah, here's Alex Bucks and Blake Wesley. Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. And you only have 15 players, but just give me like a $1.10 million person. 3.05, right? Guess what? I played Robert Covington. Game me. But I just traded for, like, is there anyone else I could want? I took a man tops and nobody hit from you, but wait, so get back of Zubac? No, because they're not serious. That's not enough. Yeah, I can't do them so bad. Thank you. Ben Thompson and Joe Allen Chris Paul, but I just traded for the entire team, but Chris Paul need a better point guard, but trade, find a point guard, Chris Paul, D. Anthony Milton, no, heck no, TJ McConnell, you might just come here. Because you guys both got no D. Yeah, Solid, you made me mad that you wouldn't offer me a better deal. Give me Derek Lively. Oh, I need 3.838 mil. That's where I kept this man. Jameson. Yeah. Drew M. Marks. Got him. I can do this trade, but that's why. Yeah, you completely suck. We got Dante and yeah, thank you. Okay, so let me see my coaching abilities. The bench is good, like, but I wanna not give less minutes to 9 minutes Jordan and some minutes to Pute. Yeah, I wish my first 2 games. You completely dumb. Disable CPU trade, but alright, tune on. Let me see the box score and see who was being good. We won by like 50. Okay, so their team was the highest leading score. 31 from Kubistops. I think we got Shea from there, so they probably would beat us if they got Shea. Like, see, 27, 29. Like, everyone has a split point. No one has got a 38. But you, I'm so crazy. Surprised you got less minutes than 7. You got more points than Derek Lively. I don't even know. Man, you guys this team got cooked with everything except fast rank and take a chance. Well, let's see what's gonna happen if I'm gonna win a championship this season. Nah. Bro, no, Halliburton. Finally, bro. I thought Halliburton was gonna sell me, but I was gonna trade him instantly. And so it's like weeks, not a month, day to day. So he's probably gonna come back like 10 seconds. Always. Good. Bro, 22 and 24 and 11, 26 and 11. What the heck? January. Man. No. Hey, if we win a championship, yes, honestly, please. I want most of my players to stay. Most of them, yes, 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 yes. I'm in Thompson, why are you leaving me? Why? Why? You all are, we're gonna win the championship, and I don't care if you guys wanna stay anymore. I'm trading you guys away. Sheesh. Ungrateful. I was traded for you guys for a chance to win a championship with a 60-win team. 60. Melo. He's winning the MVP. I think we're living the Boston. Finally. See? You've been averaging like 10 points. It's fine. See? Yeah, we're probably all going to be on NBA first team. Never. None of us was on NBA. You guys, I know disappointed in you. None of us was an All-NBA second team. If not one of single of us is All-NBA. Finally, I see Shea. How is he on All-NBA third? Oh, my gosh. And number 1 seed? Wait, 2 rounds. So we got Philly in the first round. We can, like, 6-7. We probably will sweep them, though. We just got... No. No. Oh. No. I'm not losing to Philly. I don't care. We're not... Oh, sure, for you, but I thought we were going to lose to Philly. Like, no. Oh, my gosh. As the Raptors make it past the Heat. Well, game 1 we take. Game 2, but please do not make me mad. If we go down we went down 3-1. Hey, Boston, 3-1, come back. 3-2. 3-3. And then, of course, we lost to for the people that got, like, swept in the finals. But I'm sorry, but my entire team, we went to the second round because Charlotte became an OP team. What kind of team was that, bro? I'm mad, bro. I'm mad. Look at my coaching now, huh? It's like the same team. No, wait, it is the same team. Oh. What happened to him? I can't say. What happened to him? Yeah, bro. Please. And guys, when the game 6 of the NBA Finals is here. How do we lose by that much? Okay, Celtics. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. How did we lose? How? Bro, we had 39-25. And then 13-14. Who had 40? If I do not see a single... Oh, okay, see. Giannis had 45. That's why we lost. Giannis has 45, but I told you. Sean had 40 on that team. 40. Not even 20. 40. But we're winning this. Winning this 60-0. Winning this stuff in... Man, 6-12. This was my last lose. Cade. So that's why we lost. Cade had 39. Not fair. No one else had over 20. Well, let me check my team. 2 people had over 20. 1 from Dante DiVincenzo off the bench. 2 from Tyrese. And 3 from That's why sometimes I just hate this kid. What's this? But yes. What's this? Hey, do I play in dunk contest? Should I play in dunk contest? Hey, it's an all-star break. Let me have some fun. Play 3-point contest. What's my player? I'm too lazy, bro. You know? Hey, I'm Steph Curry. I'm Steph Curry, bro. Guys, I'm Steph Curry. Don't worry. Steph Curry is going to beat this entire team, bro. Jason Tatum, you're cooked. Yeah, Steph Curry, the greatest 3-point shooter of all time, and I'm leaving this. And anybody rock 3. Top of the key. I just saw this and then I decided I want to do it. Hey, no, I don't suck. Hey, I don't suck. No, I don't suck. Ah, finally, I made it. Oh my God, please do that. Green bean. My gosh, how my money ball whack. Oh my gosh, top of the key. Oh, I sometimes hate plays on shot. It's so quick. Oh my gosh. Green bean. You know what? I'm leaving. That's what happened here. Guys, I can't leave. So I have to wait for it. Oh my gosh. Yep, leave. I quit. Yep, I quit. Yep, I won. Why? I play dunk contest now because I can dunk. I'm Men Thompson, my player. I'm gonna do a 360 between the legs. If you guys know the guys got in that third. Reverses, winners, 360s. Yeah, 360s. Giant. Yep. Let's see this. Told you. Like, give me a 50. 50. Give me a 50. 360 winner, bro. They call me Zion for a reason. That's why no one plays in the dunk contest. This man's about to do a normal dunk. And then he's going to get... Okay, you see this is going to happen. He's probably going to get like a 50 in life. Oh, no! I just did a 360 I got a 25. This man did a between leg dunk. Okay, but... Okay. I swear. If that's higher than me, 2K I swear. That's not better than mine. Like that? I could do that in my sleep. And it was like, oh, it's so powerful. I have to give it over to him. He completely sucks. Boom! Guys, the 2K is just bad. Hey, do a normal dunk. You get higher than me at least. Do a normal dunk. I don't care what kind of dunk it is. This is 2K. About 4. Oh my gosh. I hate this game. You know what? Leg first, dunk backwards, up down 2. And the backwards. Okay, but this should be good. Oh my god! I should get a 50. But if I don't get higher than a 30, I swear I get a 100. And then between the legs being up. What is this, bro? Like, you should not say I don't want to play football. If this man gets higher than me, I am leaving this and simulating through it. Okay, that's not better than that. That's not better than that. Guys, talking to top discourse, one is better than mine. Man, you got no skill and he's probably gonna get like a 50. And then last week got like a 42 or something. Hey, get older than me. Fuck this, bro. I told you, 2K AI just cheeses with every other player than me. Yeah, 2K AI leave. I'm not doing nothing up for you guys, bro. 2K AI hates me, bro. Too mad to see that. But 50-win team? A 50-win team is announced. There's a 60-win team. Man, wait a minute. 60-win team is announced. 62. Jokic. Shut up. You want to... Yeah. Wait a minute. What? None of us want to know what last. Bro, no. Like, bro, no, this is good. I don't know. SGA, you got like 40 points. No, it doesn't. Yeah, if I don't see a... Yeah, man. And then Thompson's cooking over you guys. 4 seed. At least we ain't playing Philly that gave us a run. If I don't win this series, bro, I swear to the 2K. And guys are going to be nice to me. We're doing rookie, but... Because I completely suck at this game because or else I'm going to get words. Yeah, let me sweep. Let me sweep this game. Yeah, let me sweep this series. Let me sweep. Swept. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. This hideous oak. Hey, if I win this game. Bro, no. I'm not going down 3-1. Yep, series. Yeah, back in our hometown, we win. And then back in Chicago, they're probably going to win. But we're going to Game 7, bro. I'm playing. Yes! We got Orlando. Please. Retake. Game 1, retake. Game 2, retake. Let's sweep. Game 2, retake. Let's sweep. Game 4, retake. After a 7-game series in the second round, we swept the Orlando Magic. Oh, they're about to sweep them. Oh my gosh, I'm meeting the Kings in the finals. No one's Pelicans get cooked. What the heck? Bro, this is the highest scoring game in the last game, bro. Like, who was on this team? Yes! I accidentally said Boston Celtics won the championship. Anthony Edwards is the GOAT. Man, I'm from inductees. Wait a minute. What was the point? Bro, this is my first ever actual success of a championship. Man, number 30. Should we find a pick number 30, but 1 star. Give me a 2 star for it. No, accept a deal. My guys, bro. No, they don't. Guys, I'm just gonna do one more season. If you guys say, if so much people leave my team, I have done it. I don't care about you guys. You guys got a championship under my belt. Okay. So choose a prospect. Check what potential, what layup you are right now. Check what your potential. See a potential. What's that? I don't choose any other potential than a B. The highest to be like the B plus. Oh my god, I think the plus the best. You know, Tommy, you're back on the team. Send to use a pick. Oh my gosh. We have 2 picks in the second round. Choose a trade. Both of these picks. Let's pick. Top 3 protected. Man, I forgot what team I traded. You know, let me just prospect and choose this one. Advance up to next season. We have done it. We have secured a championship for Boston. Now they have 2 more championships than our Los Angeles Lakers because I don't remember the Lakers winning any. Let's see if so much people left me. But so much people stayed now because we won a champ. Mickey Mouse wings for all of you guys. Mickey Mouse wings. Except the top 5 players on our team. You know, let's try one more time. See if I can win the championship. Oh my gosh, but we lost the. Did we just lose the? We lost the first game to the Wizards. Hey, but we're still cooking. Yeah. Even if I have to turn it all the way down to. Can we go higher? Can we beat the regular season's record? It's 73-9. Oh no, we can't beat it. Like we have to only average 2 losses. Oh, wait a minute. We won 1. No. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, we can't do it. Yep, we lost. Well, we can tie. No, we can't tie it, but oh my gosh, we might be a 70-win team though. A 70-win team, though. We're gonna be 69-13, bro. Who's the MVP? Shay, he was your most well-deserved MVP. Yep, see, now this, you guys can't say he isn't the MVP anymore, but he was like, that was a fake MVP. He won the championship. Hey, Ant-Man Thompson. Ant-Man, you won Finals MVP, right? I have not seen you a single time on NBA stuff. Let me see. Where's Ant-Man? Oh my gosh, bro. Simulate game. You know what? Let's simulate this one. That's home. Never mind, I can't. Oh my gosh. What? Indiana. Good boy. I thought I was gonna be cooked for a second. I'm like, Indiana. Yeah, simulate 2 round. I might just simulate. Yeah, game 1 we take obviously, but I don't know who they think, but like they think they're gonna win a game. Good. You know, you do not win a game 7. So whoever does this gets to make the conference finals and lose to us. Okay, simulate it. Charlotte, do not do that. Good. At least we took that. So if it goes 2-2, like they might have order. They don't have order momentum. We have order momentum. No. Yes, we went to championships. Wait, let me see. Ain't this team? Oh, they got. Yeah, bro. Don't worry. They got LaMelo Ball. We got Tyrese. They got. Well, who wins? LaMelo Ball, Tyrese out of button. LaMelo wins. Dyson Daniels or Shea. Shea wins. Jason with a. But why is small forward sucks? Wait, let me see your coaching, bro. Why do we have John Wood as small forward? This is big small forward. Yeah, don't worry. Play game. Let's see this. Yeah, he's gonna back him down and lose. We might just go back to back. No. Yes. Oh my gosh, game 7. It's a game 7. We have won. We have repeated. Well, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace.